Hey guys, this is Banggood channel. Today we are doing a review of the Pro RC boat. Now let's open it and take a look at the boat. Open it. The first thing is the stickers. In the box it comes with the transmitter. It comes with all the batteries that you need. It comes with a USB charger. It does have 2 cell lithium battery pack. First thing we will take a look at here is the transmitter. It's a nice size, so it's comfortable in my hand, and it's made big enough where those with larger hands will still be able to use it comfortable. And take a look at the boat inside. You will see a shock coupler between the motor which is siliconated into the hull to prevent any water linkage from coming up. One of the areas that I don't really like is the placement of the battery retirer, and there is also a small little step right here that keeps the battery from sliding around. It doesn't include any stickers, it is just a white plastic tool, and you have to apply the stickers. It comes with a variety of different colors. Here is 2 different colors of stickers that you can apply to the model. Alright, so here we will take a look at the design of the boat itself. It's a fairly sleek design when you get it out of the box. Okay, we are ready to take the boat out for a little tramp on the pool. Wow, the boat is so fast and easy to control. It has 3-speed adjustable mode to change. You can enjoy the passion of speed while driving. It has a self-righting. If the boat capsizes, you can click this button and the boat will be ready to turn over.